In this video, we will see that if you are ready for the most crucial part of your journey or not. Yes, I'm talking about the USA student visa interview. Every year, thousands of Indian students face visa rejections because they are unprepared for the tricky questions visa officers ask. But don't worry, I will cover the top 10 USA visa interview questions, their real successful answers, and expert tips to handle backlogs, gaps, and even financial concerns. Visa interviews have always been important, but for 25 intakes, US visa officers are becoming stricter. They are focusing heavily on three things. पहला है financial preparedness, कि आप अपनी स्टडीज को अफोर्ड कर सकते हो. Secondly, clear academic and career goals. Why this course, this university, and how does it fit into your career? Thirdly, intent to return. क्या ग्रेजुएशन के बाद आप इंडिया वापस आओगे? With visa rejection rates increasing day by day, it's critical to prepare for these key questions now. So there are top 10 most commonly asked questions along with successful strategies to answer them confidently. Coming upon the question number 1. Why do you want to study in the USA? The USA offers flexible education, cutting-edge research, and globally recognized degrees. The diverse student community and strong industry connections will help me gain practical skills in my field. The answer would go like this. Coming to question number 2. Why did you choose this university? The answer would be like, I selected this university because of its strong program in your field, faculty, expertise, and industry collaborations which align perfectly with my career goals. Question number 3. What is your intended course and why? The answer will be like, I chose program, the name, because it offers a balance of theoretical knowledge and practical exposure which will help me develop the skills required in the targeted industry. Question number 4. How will you fund your education? The answer will go like, my parents are sponsoring my education and we have already secured the necessary funds. Here are my financial documents showing savings and income proof to cover my tuition and living expenses. Question number 5. Do you plan to work in the USA after your studies? The answer will go like, my main focus is to gain valuable skills through optional practical training, OPT, apply what I have learned and then return to India to contribute to your focused industry or family business you will mention. Question number 6. What will you do if you don't get a job after graduation? The answer would go like successfully, like this way. I have a strong support system back home, including family business, connections, and relevant job offers in India. My education will benefit my career regardless of where I work. Question number 7. Why not study this course in India? While India offers good education, the USA provides access to advanced research, modern labs, global perspectives, and industry exposure that's unmatched. Then goes question number 8. Do you have any relatives in the USA? The answer would be like, yes, I have relation like uncle or cousin, but they are not financially supporting my education. I am fully dependent on my parents for my studies. Or, no, I do not have any immediate relatives in the USA. Question number 9. What are your plans after graduation? The successful answer would go like, I plan to gain relevant experience through OPT and then return to India to work in this or that field where I see growing opportunities. Question number 10. Last but not the least. What will you do if your visa is rejected? I will review the reason for the rejection, improve my application or documents, and apply again. Studying in the USA is important for my future career. Now, if you have backlogs, academic gaps, or low scores, don't panic. Here's how you can handle these red flags. Firstly, be very honest. हमेशा अपने gaps को truthfully explain करना है, whether they are for health reasons, internships, or family issues. Secondly, show growth. आप एक्सप्लेन करो कि आपने बैकलॉग्स के बाद आपने अपनी एकेडमिक परफॉर्मेंस कैसे इम्प्रूव करी. Thirdly, provide supporting documents. Certificates from internships, online courses, or work experience during gaps can strengthen your case. Fourth, emphasize positivity. Focus on how these experiences made you stronger and more determined to succeed academically. Above all, your confidence matters as much as your answers. Here's how to make a great impression during your visa interview. Firstly, practice with mock interviews. Rehearse in front of a mirror or with a friend to refine your answers. Secondly, be clear and concise. Avoid long, confusing answers. Stay to the point. Thirdly, maintain eye contact. Show confidence by maintaining friendly and natural eye contact with the visa officer. Number 4, dress professionally. First impressions count, so dress smartly and neatly. Lastly, bring organized documents. Present your financial documents, offer letters, and transcripts neatly in a folder assembled for easy access. And that's all you have to do. But don't worry if you feel nervous, because GradOut is here to help. To get expert guidance, just fill out the Google form, link in the description below, and we will help you with everything and anything. Also, जाने से पहले वीडियो को लाइक, शेयर एंड चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना बिल्कुल मत भूलना. And do turn on the notification bell so you never miss out on the important updates about studying abroad. See you in the next one.